When it comes to planning a wedding, the costs can really add up, and it's always nice to show your bridal party, hey, I'm thinking about you and I appreciate you giving all this time on my special day. Well, a friend wanted to do just that, and we were able to do it on a budget. We were able to grab some glasses. We also purchased some decals, inexpensive decals, and one by one for each of the glasses, I was able to clean the glass with either a nail polish remover or an alcohol to make sure that the surface was extra clean. Then one by one, I removed each one of the decals by taking one surface off, attaching it to the side of the glass, and then smoothing it down with my fingers. Then I carefully peeled the decal away, and there you go. You have a Bride Squad decal attached to a glass, and you didn't have to spend a lot of money to do it. You can also add some cute packaging and wrap each one of the glasses up for each member of your bridal party. It's a cute way to say thank you for your time, and you can thank your bridal party on a budget. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.